The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yeah man, mama said she a go, she a go. They don't want to carry mama. Oh fuck class. Don't joke, say that to them. Mama now move man, joke like that. Yeah.
Hey, jump on them there. Hey, what?
I go stone go. Come on to the wheel. Yo, try go to man. Come down the boat,
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say respect to each and everyone. Now, I saw this video where a female standing in front of a bus, a Jutc bus, a public passenger vehicle. Now, a few things have been said out there about what could have caused for the female to be standing in front of the bus, blocking the bus from going wherever it's supposed to be going. And one of the things had been said is that the female is suicidal. Alright, let's move on from that one. See? And another thing has been said that the female wanted to go home, but the bus was leaving without her, so she stand in front of the bus in order for the bus to stop so she could get on board. Right? Now, viewers and subscribers, me look into that point and I say to myself then, when those persons that come out of the bus, because it shows a person that come out of the bus moving her from in front of the bus, right? Couldn't she have went onto the bus at that point? So it started to let me wonder if she was on the bus and if she had done something while on the bus in the first place. That is, if she was on the bus. You see? Because that is the thing with videos, you know. Sometimes it gives you a certain point of something that had happened, but it never tells you what happened before or after. So it just leaves us speculating and guessing what happened before and what happened after. You get me? But the point to me is still, viewers and subscribers, is that nobody not supposed to stand in front of a bus. You see me? Not supposed to stand in front of no moving vehicle at all. Right? Even if it's not moving, once it is turned on, ignition, you're not supposed to be standing in front or behind it. You see me? Beside it too. You're not supposed to be around these things like that. It is dangerous. You're not supposed to do that. No, sir. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you so that you can have a look at it. And you can also tell me what you think. And the question is, what could have caused for her to do something like this? Alright? I don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Keep you up to date and posted. Do what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?